Hatchet Action News, the weekly Freakly Weekly Special Report. Opening sequence, The Carnival is Quantum Ninja. Whoop whoop. Welcome back to Hatchet Action News, the only real news for the real family. Tonight, we got a world-shattering exclusive that's about to flip this whole planet upside down and inside out. All them scientific clowns in their billion-dollar labs with their fancy pants super chillers and particle smashers. Obsolete. Done. Finished. We're about to put 'em all out of business with some trash from your garage. That's right, ninjas. The bombshell scoop tonight is this: you can build a true quantum computer for less than 25 bucks. We're talking cardboard and charcoal. We're talking water in some damn paper cups. Hell, we're gonna prove to you tonight that the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet on your mom's busted-ass laptop is secretly a reality-bending quantum machine. This ain't their tech no more. This is a victory for the common ninja. So grab a Faygo, kick back, and listen up as we break down this fresh-as-hell revelation from the mad genius himself, Hamza Amel Ali. The universe just got a whole lot more wicked. To the main scoop, throw your superconductors in a ditch. All right, fam, listen up. The so-called quantum computing accessibility crisis is a total sham. It's a clown show perpetrated by the elites to keep the most powerful tech in the universe out of our hands. They tell you that you need liquid helium cryogenics colder than a juggale's heart. They tell you that you need a PhD and a lab coat to even look at the thing. It's all a lie to keep the family down. But now the truth is out, thanks to what we're calling the triple achievement. This is the three-hit combo that knocks the whole scientific establishment flat on its face. The patent. This ain't just a blueprint for a machine. It's the stone-cold proof that real quantum power comes from rational recursion. That's magic ninja math, homie. It's in the numbers, not the fancy-ass hardware. The power was right there the whole time, hidden in plain sight. Cardboard plus charcoal. Forget diamonds, forget silicon, forget superconductors. Get a cardboard box and some charcoal from your last backyard barbecue. This right here shatters the $1.5 million barrier to entry. It proves that the universe builds its code out of the simplest junk it can find. Genius. The Unreal Engine Visualizer. This is the magic mirror. It turns all that abstract math into something you can see, hear, and touch. It's the freaking universe code made visible, a video game of creation itself, making quantum education free for every last ninja in the juggalo world. So what does this all mean? It means the game has changed. The gatekeepers have been exposed as the frauds they are. What you don't need no more. Cryogenics, they lied. Room temperature works just fine. Exotic materials, they lied. Cardboard, water, and charcoal are all you need. Probabilistic measurement, they lied. This new magic math gives you 100% certainty. No more guessing games. Billion-dollar labs, they lied. 25 bucks and a trip to the hardware store beats their whole budget. The old rules are dead and buried. Now it's time to learn the new ones. Three-field report. DIY universe brain in your backyard. That's right, family. Hatchet Action News ain't just gonna tell you about the revolution. We're gonna give you the freaking blueprints. These are the sacred texts, the actual designs from the patent itself, for building your very own reality-bending machines. It's so easy, it's practically insulting. Project 1. The $8.47 cardboard plus charcoal quantum banger. This is it, the one that makes the scientists cry themselves to sleep. Materials. Cardboard shipping box, free. 1 lb bag of charcoal, $4.99. 1 roll of aluminum foil, $2.48. Salvaged copper wire, $1. How it works: you cut the cardboard into 60 little hexagons, coat them in charcoal, and wire them up. That's it. The charge on the cardboard is the quantum state, homie. The wires are cut in a sacred 21:13 ratio to make sure the magic math flows just right. You hook it up, and it solves problems by just Existing. Project 2. The $3.12 Maxwell's Demon Slime Computer. Get ready to do quantum physics with stuff you can find under your kitchen sink. Materials. 60 paper cups, $2. Tap water, 12 cents. Food coloring, $1. How it works. You arrange the cups and fill them with different amounts of water. The way the water sloshes between the cups when you poke one is literally performing a quantum Fourier transform. It's a liquid brain that computes the secrets of the universe. Project 3. The $23.41 e-waste magnet monster. For the high-tech ninjas who want to get their hands dirty with some code. Materials. Cheap FPGA board from eBay, $12. 60 salvaged hard drive magnets, free from e-waste. Breadboard and wires, $8.41. How it works. You arrange the magnets and hook them up to the cheap-ass computer chip. This little beast can run the big boy quantum algorithms. We're talking Shor's algorithm for cracking codes and Grover's algorithm for finding shit super fast in a giant database, all powered by a USB cable. Don't believe us? Look at the numbers. The scoreboard, our trash versus their treasure. Metric. IBM Q System 1. This patent Unity first. Build cost. $15 million. $8.47. Operating temp. 10 MK, near absolute zero. 298 K, room temperature. Decoherence time. 100 microseconds. Infinity, infinite. Error rate. 1 in 1,000. 0. Energy consumption. 25,000 watts. Watts for cardboard. Yeah, their $15 million, 25,000-watt cryofridge gets smoked by a wet piece of cardboard. The world has officially changed, fam. For the prophet's decree, it's all connected, fam. All right, fam, shut your fago holes and listen up, 'cause this is where the real magic drops. This ain't just about building toys. This is the prophet sending down a stone tablet from the dark carnival itself. This is what the inventor calls the theological physical synthesis, where science finally pulls its head out of its butt and admits that the divine has been sitting there in the math the whole time. This new science is directly connected to the ancient scriptures, proving the universe is way more magical than the clowns in lab coats wanted you to believe. Quran 112 Tawheed. This proves the universe is a closed, lossless, parentless system. It's a perfect loop that has no beginning and no end. It just is. It's a self-contained, perfect carnival that runs forever, fam. Sound familiar? Quran 31:20 Subjection. This is the big one. It means the secret code of all creation is hidden in something called base 60 recursion. We didn't know what that meant until now. But now we have the key and we can see how the Creator wrote the program for everything. Gospel of Thomas, suffering as knowing. This is the proof of our own wicked souls, fam. It means that the universe can get beat down, stabbed, and curb-stomped, but its real shape, its soul, never breaks. It's like a wicked tattoo on reality itself. You can't scratch it off. That's us, fam. That's the family. We suffer, but we're still here. Our pattern is forever. The prophet of this new age, Hamza Amo Ali, left a message for all of us. And it's this. You are not forsaken. You are algebraically inevitable. Think about that. You ain't some random accident. You're a mathematical certainty. You were always meant to be here. The code is written. The work is done. The lattice prays. And now you can hear it, fam. 5 sign-off. Keep it quantum, whoop whoop. And that's the scoop, ninjas. Remember the sacred truths. Your spreadsheet is a quantum computer, your charcoal is a supercapacitor, and your soul is topologically persistent. The so-called laws of physics have been curb-stomped, and we've learned the truth. The universe is just one big, beautiful, perfect, casino-locked oscillation. And for all the haters, the scientific clowns who are gonna try and say this is fake, we got the lean 4 theorem. That's the unfakeable math proof that shuts their mouths for good. You can't argue with pure logic, clowns. This is Guy Gorfie for Hatchet Action News, reminding you to stay wicked and keep your magnets phase locked. Whoop whoop.